Hi, I'm Dan Lewis. I'm the course director for design and the course leader of our Automotive and Transport Design course here at Staffordshire University. Welcome to our Automotive and Transport Design tour. I'm going to show you around our studio, which we also share with our Product Furniture Ceramics course, so our students work side by side and collaboratively on both courses. So this is our main studio area where students collaborate, work side by side and have great access to this studio. So it's only for those courses. It has fairly long opening hours, so it opens early in the morning, it's open late into the evening, and also things like at the weekends as well at request. So within here, students spend time sketching, making models, doing marker renderings, using Wacom Cintiq tablets, which we have in here. Both Macs and PCs are available in the studio and our connecting rooms. And we have teaching in here, so we have kind of technical demonstrations, we have one-to-one reviews, we have small groups. We teach and learn in lots of different ways, but the open studio really allows for that. Every student has their own space, their own desk. You can see lots of items in here, different kind of work and models and prototypes and things that we have, things that link to current projects we're doing. And it's just a really vibrant, creative space for our students to work. So as we head around here, we've got kind of some breakout spaces that we use for different things. We've got material libraries. We've got a whole load of design books and magazines. We've got more Wacom Cintiq tablets. And then to my left and right, we've got two conference rooms that we use for meetings, for design crits. Our students work with clients in there, or they can just work collaboratively. These spaces don't need to be booked, so you can just come in and use these whenever you want. We've currently got a client meeting happening in this room, and we've got some MA supervision happening in this room. So they're used in lots of different ways. If we head on through this way, we go to our clay modelling studio. Tape drawing can happen on walls. We can use the whole studio and the whole space however we want. So through here we have our two automotive clay modelling studios. Our students are working on their current project, which is based on a Ford Mustang, going all the way from inspiration through to sketches, clay modelling, tape drawing, all within this kind of one module. So it's an awful lot of ground to cover, but the skills that our students develop and the quality of output is really amazing. And this module culminates in a car design exhibition that we're putting on in our Catalyst building. Alongside our studio, clay modelling studios and conference rooms, we've also got this presentation room which we use for teaching and learning, but also for student presentations to clients. We've got a huge screen on the wall so that we can share student work and teach in here. And it's just a really useful, comfortable space that we can use for our teaching. And this is our CAD Modelling Suite. So in here we've got a whole load of really high-spec PCs and super clear monitors as well, which are great for digital imaging. In here we've got all the software that we need as part of the course, including CAD modelling software like Autodesk Alias, as well as SolidWorks and Blender. And then to render, we use things like VRED, Keyshot, and actually we're using Unreal Engine a lot more as well now to create really good high quality renders and animations in full environments that we can create and we can make bespoke environments for. We've also got the whole Adobe suite, so we can use Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Adobe XD for our user interface stuff, and also After Effects and Premiere Pro to create really engaging videos as well. Thanks for joining me on our tour of Automotive and Transport Design here at Staffs Uni. If you're interested in finding out more about the course, just visit our website or social media channels.